In this video, we'll show you how to turn off automatic updates on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So to do this, first head to the search menu and then type in services. Now select the first result that appears. In this window, you need to scroll all the way down and find this Windows Update service. Now double click on it. Now click this drop down menu and then set it to disable. Now make sure the service is not running. If it's running, click on the stop button to stop it immediately. Now go to the recovery tab. Use this first failure drop down menu and select take no action. Now hit apply followed by OK. So this will basically stop Windows Update on your PC or laptop. You still need to be careful about one thing. So currently, as you can see, the service status is stopped. Now if I open the settings app, keep an eye here. Now if I go to the Windows Update tab, it will automatically start the service. So this is by design and there's nothing you can do to stop this. So if you want to keep the Windows updates disabled, after stopping the service from here, make sure you don't ever go to this Windows Update tab, otherwise the service will run automatically.